At Easy Software, we've come across a number of interesting opportunities with ERP deployments with some of our customers and prospects. And there is a challenge involved with moving ERP systems that Easy Software potentially has been able to help with. And that challenge is interesting in many ways because there is a very good return on investment behind it from our experience. And the challenge is normally with any ERP move for a business is you obviously are looking for better and more functional software and more business process in the new ERP platform. Of course, that's what you expect as a purchaser of these types of solution. But you have a problem of obviously moving the data from the existing ERP system into your new platform, and that's what all the ERP vendors have capability in. So whether you're an SAP type solution or a Microsoft Dynamics, Exacta, Great Plains, or an Aggressor or a MoveX, or any of the ERP manufacturers that Easy has worked with. And the challenge is, as I say, moving the data across. And normally what happens in these exercises is, of course, you move the ledger and accounting information, which is mandatory, of course, because you need that in your new platform, and also, obviously, the customer and vendor information, which is a straight database to database move. However, what we've discovered at Easy Software is an opportunity to say, okay, let's use the document management functionality that is missing from a lot of these ERP systems to move the business documents that would not normally become part of an ERP migration. And so what we're talking about here is actually having the business documents, which are typically things like sales invoices, remittance slips, statements, credit letters, all the business documents that you would print out, having those pushed into an Easy system and then delivered as a search and retrieval through your new ERP system. Also, you can access your reporting information for compliance purposes, of course, because you want to make sure that typically when you move ERP systems, most customers will keep them live for a period of time. So of course you want to make sure you've gone through the audit trail sufficiently to satisfy internal and external auditors. Well, this strategy of taking your business documents fully supports that activity. But moreover, what you're looking at is perhaps potentially turning off your old ERP system much earlier in the cycle, thereby saving yourself perhaps anything from 2, 3, 4 or even 5 years maintenance on what would have to be a read-only type system for audit and compliance purposes with Her Majesty's Customs and Revenue. So as I say, what you've got here is an opportunity to take those documents, move them into the new ERP system, and then of course you have an opportunity to leverage that by doing the things that Easy Software is very good at, which is looking at workflow, business process automation around the finance piece, looking at things like shared service centres for finance, and of course things like invoice automation. So all of those things that traditionally are document management challenges around the finance piece. So I would commend you that you perhaps look at decommissioning and legacy decommissioning as a topic, perhaps not only just for finance, but of course it also applies to other legacy applications that might have documents or output management attached to it. Thank you.